Good morning, grade 12. How are you? Hope you are so fine. I really missed all of you. This is Mr. Ahmed Amer speaking. Today, inshallah, we need to clarify lesson 10.3, which is talking about geometric sequence and series. First of all, I need from each one of you to know what the meaning of A1. This means the first term. What is the R? This is the ratio. What is the N? This is the order of the term. If it's the first, then N is equal 1. Second, N is equal 2. Third is N equal 3, and so on. If you look here, this is the rule that we use for the geometric sequence. An equals A1 times R to the power N minus 1. A1 is equal to 2 over 9 times R is equal to 3 to the power 7 minus 1. Guys, for any geometric sequence, you will use that rule. And then let's continue. 2 over 9 times 3 to the power 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. And then the answer will be 162. It's so easy example. Then look at the second example, please. Here he said write an equation for the nth term of each geometric sequence. 1 over 3, 2 over 9, 4 over 7. He didn't give me A1, he didn't give me R, he just need from me to write the general formula for the nth term. First of all, we need to find A1, which is the first term, which is 1 over 3. Then how can we find the R? Take any two consecutive terms and divide it by each other. Take any two consecutive terms and divided them by each other. Like 2 over 9 divided by 1 over 3. 4 over 7 divided by 2 over 9. If you make division for any two consecutive numbers, it will give you the same number. Then if you divide 2 over 9 divided by 1 over 3 like here, then you will find R is equal to 2 over 3. Also, if you make 4 over 7 divided by 2 over 9, it will give you also 2 over 3. That means we find A1, we find R, and then we will substitute in our rule An equals A1 times R to the power N minus 1 because it's a geometric sequence. Then A1 is equal 1 over 3, then take away A1 and write 1 over 3, take away the R and write 2 over 5. Don't take the N because he needs the general formula for the sequence. Now we have the third example, which is give me the third term, which is A3 is equal 8 and R equals 1 over 2, and then he need from me to find A1. Like here we said R is equal 1 over 2. That means we have a geometric sequence which R is equal 1 over 2. Go fast and then substitute at the rule, which is An equals A1 times R to the power N minus 1. We don't know A1, then we will leave it. We will not write A1. Just A3 is equal to 8. Then N is equal to 3 and An equals to 8. Then we will take that An and we will write 8. We will take A1 and write A1 because we need it. And then we will take the R and write 1 over 2. We will take the N and write 3 because he gave me the third term. Then just substitute. 8 is equal A1 times 1 over 2 to the power 3 minus 1, and then 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, then 1 over 2 to the power 2 is equal 1 over 4. Make the reciprocal in both sides, multiply here by 4, multiply here by 4, then A1 is equal 32. If you look here, he needs the geometric sequence, the term is between two non-consecutive terms of a geometric sequence. Then that means a geometric means if you have some terms not exist between two non-consecutive points, they are called geometric means. Then here he said find the three geometric means between 3.12 and 49.2. First of all, you don't know the N. I don't know anything. I just know that I have the first term, which is A1 equal 3.12, and I know the fifth term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth term, is 49.92. It's a treasure, guys. It's a treasure. 49.92 is the first term. Then A5 is equal 49.92. That means N is equal to 5. Then if we look here, what I wrote here A1 equal 3.12 and N equal 5 because AN is equal 49.92. 92. And then let's back to our rule here and then substitute an, which is 49.92, we'll put it here, is equal a1, which is equal 3.12 times r to the power 5 minus 1, and then substitute blah 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 blah. Then r is equal positive or negative 2. And then what you will do, you will multiply each number by 2. Then 3.12 times 2 will give you 6.24. And then 6.24 times 2 give you 12.48. 12.48 times 2 equal 24.96. Only that for today. Thanks. See you later inshallah. Bye.